AquaVenture, we hope you enjoy your submarine tour. Look around to see all the marine life and fallen objects around you, but otherwise sit back and relax. If you look to the bottom right, you can see two huge blue whales. Whales are mammals just like humans, but they can eat up to 2 tons of krill a day. To your left is the crashed pirate ship that belonged to Blackbeard, one of the most famous pirates in the world. His beloved ship was called the Queen Anne's Revenge. The hammerhead shark lives there now.
And I followed wrong.
Up top, you see 3 horses that are off to the races. Up ahead are 3 columns. These columns are from Rome, and their ruins have been here for hundreds of years. Whoa, check out those barracudas. They can swim up to 27 miles an hour. Manta rays. Those are also very huge and can weigh up to 3 tons. Our next stop is the Greek Parthenon. These huge Greek ruins are filled with statues of the gods they used to worship. Check out the detail in those marble heads. Wow, we can see a school of fish swim by in action. These 2 blue statues are believed to guard the Parthenon. Inside are some fish that have found their way and they're feeding off some of the bacteria. Here we see another manta ray as it searches for food on the floor of the ocean. Our final stop is the castle. This castle is a one-of-a-kind made out of the 16th century rock and mortar that fell here when being transported across the ocean. This castle was home to King Thomas the Great, and you can see his statue above. The giant anglerfish guards the columns in the castle. Thank you for riding with AquaVenture, and we hope you enjoyed your travels.